Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of speaking with Andy Macintosh. Andy is running as the Deputy Mayor for Town Council. Thank you very much for being here.
Thank you, Bradley. It's a pleasure.
So today I wanted to talk to you about infrastructure. What do you see as a priority for the town of Orangeville?
Infrastructure. It's one of the most expensive parts of obviously running a town of this size. We have to grow. We're being forced by the government to grow. We have to keep up with the infrastructure. I personally would like to really push the provincial government, even the federal government. If they want us to keep growing, they need to help us out with our infrastructure. And when I talk about infrastructure, I mean like the sewage treatment plant, water, things like this. We need money. We're forever expanding the sewage treatment plant, and it's costing us millions and millions of dollars. And we have to borrow that money right now. And it takes years, 20 years to pay it back. I would like to get some more help from the provincial government, and that's one of the things I'll be pushing for, both in the County Council and the Orangeville Council.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for addressing this important issue. And if you'd like to see more of what Andy has to say, please do take a look at the links below, and thanks for watching.